Chili con carne developed in Texas during the 19th century. Chili was sold by street vendors in Texas cities during the 1880s. These stands were a fixture of urban life, offering a hot, affordable meal, a true taste of history. Expanding cattle ranching increased beef availability across the region. Dried chili peppers provided heat and preserved flavor in early recipes. Railroads helped spread chili across other American states. Canned chili entered supermarkets during the early 20th century. Chili was included in military rations due to its high protein content. The ration-style packaging was designed for durability and ease of distribution. Restaurants added chili to menus nationwide in the mid-20th century. Retail canned goods aisles expanded distribution nationwide. Beef, beans, spices, and tomatoes were standardized for mass production. This ingredient layout for chili illustrates the beginnings of industrial food. Public chili cook-offs increased national awareness during the 20th century. Automated cooking systems improved large-scale chili production. Industrial cooking kettle. Large containers supplied restaurants and institutional kitchens. Bulk chili container. This facility processes and stores bulk canned chili, efficiently supplying the food service industry. Canned chili expanded into international grocery markets. Export cartons warehouse. Chili con carne became a major segment within canned ready meals. These shelves highlight the scale of production and global consumer demand. Some versions reduced sodium and preservatives in recent decades. Nutrition label close. Today, chili is produced in integrated meat and sauce processing facilities. Factory-wide chili line. Modern production integrates meat cooking, blending, canning, and packaging systems. Chili factory-wide shot. Production begins when beef, beans, tomatoes, and spices arrive at facilities. Hook, ingredient pallets warehouse. Meat is cooked and ground under controlled temperature conditions. The ground meat is then transferred to a large cooking vessel. Here, it is cooked under precise temperature controls to ensure quality. Beans are soaked, cooked, and prepared for blending. Bean cooking tank. Tomatoes and spices are mixed into the base sauce. This stainless steel tank ensures even blending at an industrial scale. Large kettles combine meat, beans, and sauce into the final mixture. Mixing paddles inside the kettle ensure a uniform blend. Filling machines dispense hot chili into metal cans. Canning line conveyor. Seaming systems seal cans to prevent contamination. The machine applies lids and seals them, creating a hermetic seal. This process is essential for safe, long-lasting canned food products. Heat processing ensures product safety and shelf stability. Retort sterilization system. Inspection verifies fill level, seal integrity, and labeling accuracy. Inspection conveyor cans. Finished cans move to warehouse staging for shipment. Warehouse pallets of canned chili. Cartons are stacked onto pallets for national distribution. Distribution trucks deliver chili to supermarkets and food service markets. Right, and these are ready to ship.